This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 32, The Art of Persuasion I. The subject of persuasion is introduced discussing its definition, role in communication, and impact on human behavior. Faces are described as windows into human nature, and the importance understanding the difference between persuasion and deception is highlighted. Persuasion has a rich historical context, evident in ancient texts like the Bhagavad Gita and Shakespeare's Julius Caesar. Krishna's persuasion of Arjun to fight is highlighted as an example of convincing through truth, not manipulation. The ubiquity of persuasion in various aspects of modern life is also discussed. Persuasion is defined as convincing others through verified truths and genuine intentions, distinct from manipulation's deception and lack of intent. Examples like brainwashing and Stockholm Syndrome illustrate the difference, while key persuasive factors like reciprocation, social proof, and authority figures are introduced. In contemporary contexts, persuasion occurs rapidly on social media platforms, involving multiple channels. It aims to elicit desired responses, changing attitudes symbolically through language and visuals, modified in an atmosphere of free choice. Persuasion has a long history, practiced through oratory and rhetoric in ancient civilizations. Aristotle's principles of persuasion, ethos, credibility, trust, logos, logic, consistency, and pathos appeal to emotions are explored. Ethos is linked to brand names and speaker credibility, logos involves logical reasoning, and pathos taps into emotions and imagination. Effective persuasion combines these elements. Distinguishing persuasion from coercion, which involves force and threats, is examined through examples. Borderline cases like persuasive media content indirectly steering readers are analyzed, setting the stage for investigating the impacts of persuasive communication. The persuasive effects of communication in shaping, reinforcing, and changing attitudes are discussed. Shaping involves repetition to make people believe something, while reinforcing repeats the same message across contexts. Sociocultural shifts like language norms evolving over time illustrate persuasion's ability to change attitudes. Key takeaways reinforce the distinction between persuasion, involving verified truths and appeals to credibility, logic, and emotion, and manipulation's deception and lack of genuine intent. Social media's role in rapidly spreading persuasive messaging is highlighted, along with persuasion's effects on shaping, reinforcing, and changing attitudes through Aristotle's ethos, logos, and pathos principles. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.